I am going to show you how to make the best collard greens you have ever put in your mouth. First of all, I am going to put a ham bone and just some ham scraps in this pot. This is what I'm going to season my collard greens with. Cover this with water. I've got my pot on the stove on medium-high heat. I'm going to let this simmer while I am cleaning my collard greens, and this is going to be part of my seasoning for the collard greens. Now I need to clean my collard greens. I'm cutting this rubber band off of them. And these greens, they have this thick stem going down the middle. Now I always cut that out, okay? I don't like that thick stem. So I just cut it out just like this. And then I just cut my collard greens up into bite-sized pieces. Now, if you've got any leaves that has any bad places on it, any black spots or anything like that, you can cut those pieces off of your leaf, or if there's too many spots, just discard that leaf. Next, I'm going to put my greens in the sink here, and we're going to rinse them really good. I'm going to add some salt, because this salt will make the bugs turn loose if there's any bugs on these leaves. Okay, I'm going to let them soak for just a few minutes. I'm going to fill my other sink up with water and move these greens over to the other side. And we're going to rinse them like this 3 to 5 times until that your water is clean and there's no dirt or debris left in the water once you take the greens out of the sink. I've rinsed my bowl out, and now we're going to put these greens back in the bowl. Y'all see my sweet potatoes right over here? I'm going to show y'all how to bake sweet potatoes too, okay? That'll be a separate video though. If you're enjoying this content, would you click that follow button and follow South Alabama Cooking? Also, if you would like to order my cookbook, the link is in my profile. All you have to do is click it. It'll take you right to it. Okay, the ham has been simmering for about an hour. I'm going to start adding the greens to the pot. Now it's going to look like I have way too many greens, but as these greens cook, they will wilt down. So a little bit of water in the bottom of the bowl. We're just going to pour that in. Now, I'm just going to give this a light sprinkle of salt, not a whole lot, because our ham has salt in it already. Let's put the lid on here. We're going to let that start simmering. All right, let's just give these collards a little stir. Make sure we've got enough water in the pot. See how the collards are wilting down? See, they were up high, but now they're wilting down. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. They're already getting tender. That's great. We're just going to let this pot liquor cook down a little bit simmer this until the greens are nice and tender, y'all. Okay, these greens are ready. Let me dip some up, and we are going to do a little taste test here. And y'all look here. We've got some ham. That's going to be our meat to go with this meal. Oh my gracious, those are so delicious. Okay, y'all be good out there. I'll see you next time with another great recipe.